Hello friends, in this video we will study problems on Bresenham's line algorithm. So here is the first problem. So draw a line AB using Bresenham's line algorithm. So we have to draw a line using Bresenham's line algorithm. So line AB is given. This is the starting point on the line and this one is the ending point on the line, which means that I have x1 y1 and x2 y2. So this is x1 and this one is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. So now we will see the steps for Bresenham's line algorithm. So first we saw the starting point and ending point, and we have to read that is x1 y1 and x2 y2, which we already have. And third step is calculation part, which means that we have to calculate dx and dy, where dx is difference in x coordinate and dy is difference in y coordinate. So these two things has to be calculated first. So I will calculate. So solution for this problem. So first step is to calculate dx. So dx is x2 minus x1. So x2 is 6 and x1 is 1. So 6 minus 1, which is equal to 5. And nextly we have to calculate dy. So dy is y2 minus y1. So y2 is 5 and y1 is 2. So 5 minus 2, which is 3. So the dx and dy is calculated. So you can see that dx is greater than dy, which means that the condition is slope less than 1. So when dx is greater than 1, which means that condition is slope m is less than 1. So from this we came to know that this is the line generation algorithm for slope less than 1. So now you can see here we have dx greater than 0, which means that the sin x will be plus 1, and here dy is greater than 0, that is it is 3, so sin y will be plus 1. So I will write here sin x is plus 1 since dx is greater than 0, that is 5, and we will write here sin y as plus 1. Here also the dy value is greater than 0. So the next step, so first is decision parameter. And in next column I will write x, and in next column I will write y, and the next column is both x and y coordinate. So this condition is for m less than 1 and the value of dx is 5 and the value of dy is 3. So we know that p for m less than 1 is 2 dy minus dx. So here the value of dy is 3 and value of dx is 5. So 6 minus 5. So the multiplication of this whole term is 6 and dx is 5. So answer is positive 1, and the initial value of x we know that is 1 comma 2, it is 1 comma 2. So if the condition for the value of descent parameter has came out as 1, which means that this condition I will use, that is p greater than 0. So at that time the value of x is x plus sin x, where the sin x is plus 1 and y is y plus sin y, that is the sin y is also plus 1, which means that this value, that is x, the original value of x is 1 plus sin x, that is sin x is 1, so 1 plus 1, it is 2. Similarly for y, the initial value of y is 2 and sin y is plus 1, so it will become 3. So the coordinates will be 2 comma 3. So now I will use this relation for descent parameter, that is p plus 2 dy minus 2 dx. So p equal to p plus 2 dy minus 2 dx. So initial value of p is 1 and dy, that is it is 3, so it will become 6, that is 1 plus 6 minus 2 into 5, that is 2 into 5 is 10, so 1 6, that is 7, 7 minus 10, the answer come out as minus 3, which means that this condition is so this value is less than 0, which means that we are getting this condition. So for this condition, the x value will be x plus sin x and y value will remain same. So I will write x as 2 plus 1, that is 3, and y as 3 because it has remains unchanged, so I will write as 3. So the coordinate will be 3 comma 3, and the descent parameter for p less than 0, I will use this relation, that is p equal to p plus 2 into dy. So p equal to p plus 2 into dy, so p equal to p plus 2 into dy. So the initial value of p is minus 3 and the value of dy is 3, so 2 into 3 is 6 and initially it is minus 3, so minus 3 plus 6 is positive 3, so answers came out as positive, so which means that this condition, it has come positive. So the condition is greater than 0, so I will use x as x plus sin x and y as y plus sin y. So 3 plus 1, it is 4, and y term also 3 plus 1, it is 4, so the coordinates came out to be 4 comma 4. So since descent parameter has positive value, so I will use this relation of descent parameter, it is p plus 2 dy minus 2 dx. So after calculating, I get the value as minus 1, which means that it is less than 0. At that case, the coordinates of x equal to x plus sin x, so it will become 5, and the coordinates of y will remain unchanged, so I will write it as 4, so 5 comma 4. So in the case when descent parameter comes out to be negative, that is less than 0, then the relation which I will use is p equal to p plus 2 dy, so this relation I will use. So after calculating this term, or I will use as p plus 2 dy, so original value of p is minus 1, and after multiplying 2 with dy, that is 2 into 3 is 6, so minus 1 plus 6, which comes out to be 5, that is positive value. So at that case, that is for descent parameter greater than 0, so both values of x and y changes, that is x will become 5 plus 1, that is 6, and y will become 4 plus 1, that is 5. So the coordinates will become 6 comma 5. So you can see the ending point is 6 comma 5. So we know the stopping condition, that is I less than equal to dx. So here dx is 5, so we will stop here, because you can see 1 2 3 4 5. So from this we can calculate, or so ending point we got as 6 comma 5, which means that we have to stop here. And now we will plot the points on the graph, that is coordinates of x comma y. So the first coordinate is 1 comma 2. So I will plot this coordinate on this graph. So x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 2. So this is this block, and next coordinate is 2 comma 3. So 2 comma 3. So I will plot here. So the 2 comma 3, and next coordinate is 3 comma 3, so it will come somewhere here. And next coordinate is 4 comma 4, so it is coming somewhere here. And next coordinate is 5 comma 4, so 5 comma 4, so it is coming here. And the last coordinate is 6 comma 5, so it is coming somewhere here. So now we'll join all these points. So this is how the line is generated with the coordinates which we got from Bresenham's line algorithm. So this is the graphical representation for Bresenham's line algorithm. Thank you.